Be honest. Are you really living the life you want, or are you just surviving? My philosophy is simple. You create your reality. And I am here to teach you the practical systems to make that happen. It all starts here. We build a mindset for intention and purpose. Then we focus on wealth. I teach you the systems I use to make money online. And then health is your vehicle for life. We will master fasting, workouts that actually work, and pretty much, cooking so you stop eating like a college student. What tools you need? What tools do you need? I give you the honest reviews on gear, tech, supplements, and yes, the clothes you need to wear to project the life you're designing. Finally, the payoff. We review the experience of the world. All-inclusive resorts, hotels, and activities that make life worth living. My promise is simple. If I can teach it, you can master it. I am an Amazon influencer, a certified fitness instructor, and your guide through the chaos. Stop relying on shams. Your journey to your designed life starts now. Subscribe to the channel because I am not Josue, but the Josue Ortega, and let's build our reality. Practical systems for a life by design. I'm going to teach you the proper mindset and steps to take in order for you to make money online and have the life you want. Have the freedom that you have always wanted. Because believe me when I tell you, I was you. I was that guy looking for answers, looking for options in order for me to actually, make a living without having to sacrifice my life all the time. Because having a 9 to 5, you stop living during that time. So that was so frustrating for me, and I always saw people doing it online, but I never, found out until I did. Until I understood everything. So today, I can come here and pretty much share it with you and tell you exactly what I did and how you can actually do it too. So you can literally just have the life that you want and have the freedom and have as many options as you have when you are financially free, when your mindset actually changes. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. So if you're into that, bear with me, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and just come with me every week so we can, thrive together. I can show you how to do stuff. I'm here for you. I'm all about teaching. And again, if I can teach it, I know you can master it.